G'day folks, welcome back. Going to do a soap drop on these canvases. I'm going to put a little bit of extra oomph into the pendulum and let it drop from further back so it's got more energy in it. We'll see what happens. We'll be doing the finish coat in a chrome tool. The chrome, because it pops with bright colours, it's easy to cover up. So let's get this thing going. This one's weird. Very strange. It's got that harmonic going. That's cool. This is a weird one. Alright. Let's see what happens. Do this real quick. Alright. Let's see what happens. Ooh, what do we got here?
Boop. We're done with the spraying. We'll now hose them off. So let's get these guys up here. All right, one hose. Actually, oh, oops, kicking everything around. Ah! Let's spin you guys around so you can see what's about to happen. All right, one hose. Alright, it's looking pretty good, so let's hit it. Oh, that looks really cool. Uh-oh. Oh no. And we got a disaster piece. Now how I've been saying about how I should leave the paint. Ah, bugger. What a shame. So as you can see here, we have just screwed the pooch. Wah, 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 wah. It has not reacted well with that fluorescent paint. I should have done a test piece first. Well, this is the test piece now, I guess. Bugger. Oh well. Yeah, you can see it up here as well. Well, what a shame. What a shame. Not so much on the yellow, but on the orange, we've got a fail. Bugger, all along the edge too. Let's have a look this way. Oh, I'll get around here so you can see it better. So as you can see, the water's got in underneath it and lifted it. And when I get my finger like this, you'll see it just go. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll just reuse these canvases. Well, that's what I get when I'm too impatient. That was a really cool effect too, look at that. Very three-dimensional. Now let's just push them together, give you a quick look. So here's what it would have looked like if I didn't screw it up. Anyway, yeah. Fubar. We'll just reuse these canvases anyway. What a shame. Bugger, bugger, bugger. Well, next fluorescent canvases, we'll let them dry a bit longer, eh? So let's leave with the epic fail. Dun dun dun. Ew. Ew. That's gross. I'm sorry, everybody. In my haste, I've created a disaster piece. Shame on me. See you next time.